Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Payhip account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a product bundle in Payhip? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a product bundle anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that some products are better bundled because you can sell for a higher price or maybe increase order value. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Payhip dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Payhip, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to put together a product bundle, here on the top, click on products. Once you click there, you're going to click on add new product. Once you do that, you're going to see these 6 options, and you want to click on this one called bundle. It looks like a crown. Okay, so now you can go ahead and name this product bundle. So let's say maybe this is a Valentine's Day special bundle. So I'll go ahead and just name it Valentine's Day Bundle Anthony. Okay, and we're going to click add bundle. Okay, now we can go ahead and start adding some of our products into this bundle. So click on add product. All right, once you click on add product, you're going to choose a product to add into this bundle. So I'll click here. Okay, now you can see it added that product into this bundle. So you can continue just adding in more products into this bundle. So let's go ahead and add a travel course in as well. Okay, now we have created this product bundle. You can see Valentine's Day Bundle Anthony, and it includes these 2 products. And then if you want to get the URL to share the link to this bundle, click here on pages. Okay, here is our sales page to our bundle. Let's click on view. Okay, so here's our bundle. If we scroll down, we'll be able to see the products inside this. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to create a product bundle inside your Payhip account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.